Hello, namaste, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my vlog 1 of Spiti Valley. So I took a morning flight from Bangalore to Delhi and met a couple of my friends, waited for a bus for 4 hours and took this 18 hours bus ride. Well, it took about 22 hours but no regrets. And here we are in Reckong Peo and let's see what happens. Bye bye HRTC. So that's the bus that I came in. I hope you can hear me because there's too many people talking around. I'm talking in my mask. So one of my friends said this a hotel called Hotel Sairagin. So I think I'll be going there and yeah, probably catch the bus for tomorrow. Let's see. The first thing is I need a room because I need to use the loo. Second, I need food. I'm hungry. Third, I need to change my clothes because I've been wearing the same shirt from past 24 hours and it's all dirty now. Cool. I'm gonna meet you in my room. So this will be my room for the day. I'm paying $500 for it. But he asked for 600. Well, I couldn't argue anymore because I'm way too tired and the dormitory was already booked completely. So I'll just stay here for the day and go ahead, rest and then have some food and stuff. Okay, finally I'm all washed up. I'm on a hunt for a ATM now because the next ATM from here is probably Gaza, and I've heard that even in Gaza sometimes ATMs don't work or sometimes don't have cash in it. So I thought I better get some or all of or at least like 80% of the money I have because I don't want to take any risk. It's always better to have cash in these areas. Even in Ladakh it's the same. And I'm not able to find a ATM. I've already walked like 500 meters. Long story short, I couldn't find an ATM, so these two cops are showing me the way. Probably they're going to the station or house or wherever. So thankfully I asked the cops or else I would have been stuck around. I need to get a gas cylinder or else I won't be able to cook.
उसके लिए बड़ी मुश्किल से की है गाड़ी के लिए 2 साल वो 2 कार ना है ना वो ब्रह्मा वाला.
So I found this small restaurant here in the market while I was just going back to my hotel room. Oh, it's cute. I don't know how's the taste. Let's see. So I'm getting like half plate momo for like $40, so that's like 10 pieces here. Well, let's see. I don't understand. And bad luck, I did not get my gas cylinder that I needed, so I don't think I'll be taking any ration. So instead of taking ration and wasting it, I thought I'll first buy the cylinder and then buy ration. So good for me. Let's wait. Let's see what we can do. Soup first. Let's see how it goes.
This was Babu Gini comedy.
For the first time I'm like drinking soup before momos. Nobody ever gave me. I guess this is how they serve. See, this place right now it has really very confusing weather. It's cloudy over there. You can see it's like 21 or 22 degrees. If I wear this jacket, I feel hot. If I remove it, I feel a little cold. So I decided just to remove it and keep it in the hand. Because anyway, I'm walking up. So I'll start feeling hot, overly hot. So it's better I just remove it. I climbed all the way from there. There's at least like some 500 steps and about 300 to 500 feet up climbing. Wow, it's already tough on the first day. I don't know what will happen on the second, third, and fourth, and fifth, and sixth, and seventh, and eighth. Let's see. But man, the weather and the views both are great. Everywhere I look, beautiful sceneries. That rock looks so dramatic. I wish I had my camera. Wow. So yeah, see that? Another steps coming up. So I think they're all apple trees. These are still green, but they're going to be red in about 2-3 months, I guess. Man, there are so many trees here. It's an apple garden. Shouldn't go in, and I will not, because I'm a very good boy. I'm tired. I just want to go to my room and rest for a while. So let's see. Phew. To be fair, I'm only tired because I've traveled 20 hours continuous on the bus and I had no acclimatization. I directly came up. So that's the problem. So tomorrow I'll be taking the bus again and go up. Hopefully won't be as hectic as today. I'll go take rest and see you tomorrow. I think this will be the end of the vlog 1, so I'll see you in vlog 2.